more creamy, like a custard consistent.
Thicken.
Now I put low heat. I like that sound.
Yeah. Oh yeah. The end. Put it to a container to cool, and then you put it in the fridge. Man down. Man down.
Now we're gonna make the dough. We need to reach 440. What is that?
Butter.
How much?
Butter.
Butter or butter?
Go. Keep kneading a little bit right here. The bowl's too tiny.
Oh yeah, pretty easy actually.
Let's go.
Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys can see the butter. Nice. I wish the croissant can be made like that, but no.
Yeah, we have to use the...
Even though we used.
Yeah. Do you want it thinner? I can't really.
No, should be okay. And then
this is the max.
All right.
Maybe a little farther down.
Oh yeah. Stick.
Do this one more time.
Yes. Boom.
Did he fold it again?
After he put in the
Fridge, right?
the fridge.
There you go. Oh yeah. Get rid of those air pockets. That's good enough.
Okay.
You guys could feel it. It's like so soft.
I know.
Feels like a
Kinda
baby.
want to punch it.
No.
But no.
You did that one too in one of my bread, and
Hey.
thankfully it's the rose.
Hold on.
But it
Yeah,
could have
the
been
bread was pretty
fluffier. It could have been.
Ooh, today what we gonna do, baby?
Opening One Piece Royal Blood cards. I think Kiki and them are here. Oh, they are.
Okay, guys.
Oh, yeah.
And a bit myself. Inazuma Revolutionary Punk Order event. People now, a lot of people love this character.
Big boobies.
Diamante, Usopp. Oh, I like it.
Sounds cute.
Ooh.
Whoa!
I like that art. Even though it's like a common one. Baby 5. Capone. Sabo. And this is the last one. Your turn. Peruna.
This one's cute.
Yeah.
Ivanka. Very, very interesting. Blue Gilly. Bia. Interesting. It's a bee.
Zoro.
Ro no no ro 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 Zoro.
Cavendish.
Wow, there's a lot of full one in one piece.
There's over 1,000 characters, so. Oh, now is the rare Cavendish and almond powder mixed with sugar powder. Roasting dough, more butter,
Should tell them
custard.
that they could do it all in one day if they want, without letting it rest. Making a sandwich.
Chorizo.
So we got avocado, the sprouts, mortadella.
Maybe margarine.
And the almond with the butter already. What is this called?
Frangipane.
Frangipane.
Yes, it's a just mix of butter, almond, sugar, egg. Nice. We need two. Oh, one first. Oh, it smells very good. I hate internet. Almost like a croissant.
Yeah. We can make croissants. Okay.
Ooh.
We could make a tiny one too, you know? Cup. We have a lot. So
Should we use a fork to close?
do they do that?
We could.
But do they? So we cut it, we scored it, we made some holes, and now we are egg washing it. We need a better brush, but okay. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's two dogs. We'll see how it turns out though.
Could be beautiful or could be funny. Or both at the same time. Nice. I can do it. Okay. Ooh.
And then we'll put in.
Oh yeah. But we're gonna check every 10 minutes. Bye. Okay.
It looks good.
It's 15 minutes.
Turn it so the heat is
Look at
distributed
that.
evenly.
Nice. And how about the other one? Oh, I think we can leave it like that. Nice how it smells so good. Galette Des Rois.
They look like dogs, kind of.
Kind of. I think.
Next
yeah,
time they have to be connected. It has to be connected.
Yeah. I mean, the one on the right looks legit, the dog.
Maybe what do you think about this one?
Let's
Maybe
see.
a little more time? I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah, a little bit, maybe 5 minutes. Make it shiny. Just syrup.
Shiny enough?
Yes. Wonderful.
Crispy.
See, but look at this. The dog here looks legit. And this one, bro. I don't
Yeah.
know.
It's because I cut it too deeply. Like if I did this, it just needs to be a little scratch because you see that? The other ones are. You can see them though. You can see them. It's just this one doesn't have an
Yeah.
ear.
Can you hear it? Ooh.
Wow. So the tradition is for the one that are like this, they put a bean.
Yeah. And the one who got the bean is the king or the queen of the day.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like that one Mexican game. Sort of, but not really.
Yeah. The French
Alright.
version.
Wow. Oh, looks good.
I see a face, but I don't see the
There's a dog right here, and then there's a dog right here, but the ears are gone. Emoji.
Because
Those two.
he went too deep.
Yeah.
I see it. It's
Yeah.
just like a boop.
This one, before I double baked it, you can see the ears a little bit more pronounced.
Oh my god.
But I. Ta! That's a good amount.
Yeah. I mean, because we divided to
Yeah.